Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Amanda, and this is my apartment. So when you first walk into my apartment, you see this little entryway that my sister put together for me. This little cube thing is from Walmart, as most of my furnishings are, and I use it to hold things that I use when I go out the door. I've got this tiny little bike from TJ Maxx that accents the larger bike that sits in my corner. And these two things are just miscellaneous catch-alls that hold my keys, papers. This shelf holds my Wi-Fi router. That drawer holds all the tote bags I own. And this shelf is a place for me to put things that I want to mail home. This cube holds all of my electrical cords that I don't need but still keep out for some reason. This cube holds my bike helmet and lock, two very important things. And this last cloth cube holds tape, boxes, miscellaneous household things that you don't need until you really, really do. On the other end of my entryway, we walk along to my living room. My apartment has a really open floor plan, which is really nice and convenient. This couch is actually a memory foam futon from Walmart, which is awesome when I have company over, and I really like the little armrest it has in the middle. My Arrested coffee table book is from the Strand in New York, and I got it for $5. It's a little banged up, but I don't really care. And my coffee table is from Walmart, surprise, surprise. My TV was a gift from my parents. It was their old one. When they upgraded, they saved the old TV for me, and the TV stand itself is from IKEA. Next to it is my bookshelf, which is surprise from Walmart. We'll get to that in a second. I've got all my DVDs and my Blu-ray player there. My bookshelf is my favorite place in the whole house. They're all organized in a specific way. I'll definitely do a bookshelf tour if you want me to do one, because it could be kind of fun. But I have quite the collection. I needed a dedicated bookshelf for all my books, not just keeping them in my room like I used to. My bike and the sign my sister gave me for Christmas take up the rest of the living room, and right off the living room into the kitchen is my storage shelf for all those things you need to be an adult that no one ever talks about, like baggies and cleaning supplies. And this is my kitchen. All of my coffee making essentials are over here, and my dishwasher, and my really, really big sink that I love, and my supplements, and my water cooler. Why do I keep calling it a water heater? And my garbage can. You know, just all the good stuff. I'm the first person to occupy this unit, so I'm really trying to keep everything nice for future tenants, although it's a bit of a stressful situation since all my cabinets are white. And as anyone can tell you, that's pretty stressful sometimes. But I love my fridge. It's got a lot of space, and I really like the matte steel finish. It's like the one at home, so I'm pretty good at keeping it clean. And then in the kitchen I have this little pin board that I got from a craft store where I have some of my sisters and my photo strips up there. My dining area is just off the kitchen, opposite from the living room. The dining room table and chairs are from home. You might recognize them from old videos. It's like having a little piece of my home with me, and I really like that. I don't have a name for that plant yet, so I'm taking suggestions if you have ideas. Oh look, it's me. Right off of this mirrored closet, the bathroom is off that way, and the living room is to my back, but my bathroom is really small, but it's the perfect size for one person, and I really like that shower curtain that I got from Target. The storage shelf is okay. I wish there was a little more storage, but I don't need that much space. Everything else is under my sink. Then there's the toilet. You know, it's the perfect amount of space for one person. And the mirror is awesome. It's really big and the lighting is great. Hi, it's me. Then you exit the bathroom. Again, the living room, dining room, and kitchen are all behind me at this point. And you move on to my linen closet, which has a decent amount of storage for all the stuff that I need. I've got my towel hamper, my laundry baskets, first aid stuff, adulting things, pads, toothbrush head, refills, you know, all that good stuff. All those baskets are from Dollar Tree. If you ever need storage baskets, go to the dollar store. They have a huge amount of different sizes and colors and shapes. This mirrored closet is where the bulk of my random stuff goes. I have everything from a cooler to store groceries in when I'm shopping, to my suitcase, to cleaning supplies like vacuums and brooms and mops, Christmas stuff, extra paper crafting materials. It's all kind of stacked precariously in this closet. I do like the doors are mirrored though, because it makes the space look a lot bigger. And up on here we have more Christmas stuff, and then all of my coats, which surprisingly I do need all of them, even that giant parka all the way over to the right. The next and final stop is my room, which is pretty big. It's actually designed to fit 2 people, but it's just little old me, so I get to have the whole space to myself. Immediately when you walk in the door and look to the left, you see my dresser, which has photos of my family on top of it, my jewelry hanger from Claire's, my ring holder also from Claire's, and the same dresser I've had for multiple years. Then you have my printer, my clothes rack that I dry my non-dryable clothes on, and my pride and joy, my desk, including my beautiful typewriter. It's a Smith & Corona from the 60s. My grandpa gave it to me. I love it. I love this whole desk, though. I spend so much time here when I'm not at home. When I'm not at work. Right next to that, under the window, is my vanity. It's just a small computer desk from Walmart, but I really like the look of it, and it's very functional, which is really all you need. And then there's my bed. It's a day bed from IKEA, and it's actually a trundle. So there's 2 mattresses on it stacked on top of each other, so I can pull it out when people come to visit. My sister and I will probably sleep in that bed together when she comes to visit me, because my couch is not comfortable for her. Then I've got my very aesthetic clothing rack my sister laid out. And then my dresser 2.0, which is one of those cubed units from Walmart, like in my entryway, with just a bunch of stuff in it, and then my stuffed animals on top, because who says you can't have stuffed animals when you're an adult? They're crazy. My 2 cameras, my vlog camera and my film camera, just live up there because they're cute. And that piece of art is by my friend Liz. It's wonderful. I love it very much. And that's it. One more walkthrough through the apartment. Don't mind the tripod in the living room, that was for something else. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next week. Bye!